welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making blue corn cakes, and you'll need the things that you see on the screen right now, including blue cornmeal or blue corn masa. First I take 1 cup of the dry blue corn and toast it over medium to medium-low heat. In a separate pan, I start grilling the onions and tomatoes. Once the onions are clear and the tomatoes start to get cooked, I add the tahini. And meanwhile, I also stir the blue corn so that it doesn't burn. The tahini, you really want to break it apart and cook it down so it can get toasty. At this point is when you add your different spices. I added cayenne pepper and curry powder. I usually add turmeric, but I couldn't find any. You can add any spices that you like, and you can add it to your desired taste. For this, I also used Himalayan salt, about 1/4 to 1/2 a teaspoon. Once your blue corn is toasty, you can add it to your grilled onions and tomato. And you want to stir it all together so that it's fully incorporated. After it's fully incorporated, you're going to want to pour it into a mixing bowl. And to that mixing bowl, you're going to add 1 more cup of blue cornmeal. For this batter, I use 1:1 dry ingredients to water, so I'm going to add 2 more cups of water, or 2 cups of water. And also another spoonful of tahini. I start to mix the water into the blue corn a little at a time, making sure to keep the water in the center to prevent clumps from happening. Little by little, I add water. The amount of water you add to your batter depends on how you want your corn cakes to come out. The more water you add, the more crispy and thin they'll be, and the less water you add, the more gooey on the inside they'll be. This is the consistency I like my batter to be. Now we're going to get ready to fry them on the pan. The stove top should be a medium to medium-low heat. I don't really measure how much batter I use or how big they are. I kind of just plop them down and then flatten them out. Once they get real crispy on the edges, that's when you know that they're ready to flip. And the shapes of these don't need to be perfect. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes per side to be fully cooked. So prepare your paper towels so that you can drain all of the oil from the blue corn cakes. And if you would like, you can add a little salt while they're hot so that it seeps down. Here I'm cutting up some aguacate, tomato, lemon, and creating a slice that I put on top of my blue corn cakes. But you can really put anything you want on top of them. You can also put in between bread and eat it like a vegan sandwich or a vegetarian sandwich. You can also eat them or treat them like tostadas and put meat on top of them or anything else that you want. So top it with your favorite toppings and enjoy. These are really good, they're really crispy, they're really flavorful, they have a lot of really good texture, they're really satisfying to eat, and they're fun to make, and they're the kind of thing that you can make with the kids, and the kids have a lot of fun helping. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please let me know in the comments below and give this video a like. I'm going to be posting more videos weekly, so make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so that you know when the next video comes out. Happy cooking and happy eating. Bye everybody, take care.